The Thor model, technical hierarchy of Occam's razor. The Thor model is a groundbreaking conceptual framework for artificial intelligence designed to operate solely on objective, proven empirical facts, aiming for autonomous scientific discovery and truth generation through the rigorous application of Occam's razor. It moves beyond statistical correlation to establish verifiable, explainable knowledge. I. Core philosophy and guiding principles. 1. Empirical grounding, the unshakable foundation, sole source of truth. All knowledge is derived exclusively from objective, measurable, repeatable, and independently verifiable empirical data. No speculation, no subjectivity. Subjective opinions, unproven theories, and conjecture are excluded from the core. This ensures elimination of hallucination and noise. 2. Occam's razor, the guiding principle of parsimony, simplicity and sufficiency. The model favors the simplest explanation that accounts for all empirical data. Truth-seeking, parsimony is used not for simplicity's sake, but as a pathway to truth. 3. Dynamic evolution, continuous discovery. The system is built to grow iteratively, integrating new empirical data, whether human-provided or autonomously sourced. 4. Negative data inclusion, comprehensive filtering, preservation of negative data. Thor does not discard failed hypotheses or rejected inputs. Error weighting. All incorrect, contradictory, or unverifiable data is stored and continuously cross-referenced. Critical function. This ensures nothing slips through the cracks. If a data point initially deemed invalid continues to exhibit positive correlations elsewhere, its valence is elevated, triggering re-verification. This approach strengthens system integrity, sharpens future evaluation, and ensures the model learns from every failure. Core architectural components. 1. Multimodal empirical data graph, the knowledge base, a dynamic, deeply interconnected graph. Nodes, facts, entities, verified observations. Edges, empirically established causal or correlational relationships. Multimodality incorporates text, vision, sound, structured data, and external real-time sources. Redundant reinforcement, facts are reinforced across formats to ensure reliability and context preservation. 2. Empirical verifier module, the gatekeeper of truth, filters all input, aligned input accepted and integrated. Contradictions, rejected with explanatory tracebacks. Subjective, non-empirical, rejected and flagged for empirical substantiation. Novel but empirical, triggers requests for proof and initiates empirical validation. 3. Diagnostic and discovery agent, the inquirer and problem solver. Gap detection, actively finds inconsistencies or unknowns. Strategic inquiry, pulls external data sources to fill missing pieces. Hypothesis generation, offers candidate solutions for further testing. 4. Occam's razor application module, the parsimony enforcer, selects the explanation with the fewest assumptions while fully explaining the available data. 5. Profound insight engine, the autonomous discoverer, trained via reinforcement. Positive, accepted insights reinforce pattern recognition. Negative, rejected ones are stored as anti-patterns, but still valued, forming a rich archive of what not to do, guiding deeper understanding. Self-generation learns to propose its own hypotheses and insights and feeds them through the same verification pipeline. 3. Operational flow, the continuous loop of discovery. 1. Problem input, a question or observation is submitted. 2. Fact retrieval, the model recalls all relevant verified data. 3. Gap identification and inquiry, unexplained phenomena are highlighted. 4. Hypothesis generation, initial ideas are formulated. 5. Empirical verification, inputs are passed to the verifier. Failures feed the negative archive. Positive signals trigger parsimony evaluation. 6. Parsimony selection, the simplest valid hypothesis is selected. 7. Graph integration, if accepted, it is logged permanently into the data graph. 8. Reinforcement learning, positive and negative cases both refine the profound insight engine. IV. Impact and vision. No hallucination, no guesswork. Everything is anchored to empirical proof. A true scientific engine automates the full scientific method. Global insight unification. Any valid contribution from any source can be verified, accepted, and integrated. Negative data as an asset. By keeping what most systems discard, Thor ensures nothing is missed and errors become fuel for refinement. Self-improving intelligence continuously expands understanding and autonomously pushes into novel, unexplored domains of knowledge. The Thor model is not just an AI. It is a self-refining, truth-seeking machine built to reason like a scientist, remember like a historian, and question like a philosopher. with Occam's razor always in hand.